Hi, my name is Hannah Barnes and this is my new Specialized Epic EVO. This is a custom paint job and I'm really excited to show you the artwork which I've helped design and run through a little bike check and then go out for a ride.
Asking for forgiveness, so forgive me for my faults. And I hope you never get this, but I sent it to your door. And I've crossed that Mississippi at least 3 times before. Oh no, without your love, can't go back there no more. Said oh no, without your love, can't go back there no more. Locked up all your windows and bolted all your
It has been such a privilege to be given a completely blank canvas to design the bike of my dreams. The inspiration for this artwork came from wanting to bring together some of the things that I love. A lot of thought went into the colours and style and I just absolutely love how it has turned out. I can't wait to share some great adventures with this bike.
And you stolen and wasted all my time. And you stolen and wasted all my time. And you stolen and wasted all my time, time, time. Oh, I hope you never get there for a long, long while. These days I'm a mountain man, no one to forgive. Eating soul food out of tin cans, one way you can live. Oh, I let you get real close and then give you a slip. Oh yeah, I'm just a little twig floating down a big old river. So now I'm just a little twig floating down a big old river. And you stole it and wasted all my time. And you stole it and wasted all my time. And you stole it and wasted all my time, time, time. Oh, I hope you never get this for a long, long while. Now you stand in place, watch those planes go by on the tarmac.